Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
All right, ma'am.
Do you have
Yes, ma'am.
tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because of the same time with the Philippines and good culture and higher salary.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Because of the culture of the Malaysia and the kindness of the people live in Malaysia.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Ah, yes, ma'am. My name is Charlene Di Mariano, 28 years old. I am married. I have three kids. Their ages 9, 8, and 6 years old. I live in Binyan, Laguna. I was a housemaid here in the Philippines for 2 years. Start on February 2023 May, and to June 2025. I took good care of four people. My responsibility is to took care of the 6 years old child and preparing the food for her and bring her to the school, and sometimes I do some household chores and car washing, gardening, and ironing, and sometimes washing clothes.
All right, I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? How
Yes,
old
ma'am.
is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 32 years old. He is a Grab driver.
Okay, when is your birthday?
October 1, 1997.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 148 cm. My weight is 60 kg.
What is your religion?
My religion is Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
My educational background is undergraduate, college level, Bachelor of Science, major in Accounting Technology in Trimex colleges.
All right, so you mentioned that you got three kids, 9, 8, and 6 years old. So who
Yes,
will
ma'am.
going to take care of your children later?
My husband and their sister and his
How,
sister.
okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
I have I have three brothers, but one is deceased, and I have one sister.
What is your rank in your family?
Third,
What
I
about
am
your mother and your father?
my father is 57 years old, and my mother is 50 years old.
All right, so what is your father occupation and your mother?
My father is PWD. He's no work,
Okay,
and my
what?
working in hospital.
All right. So is your husband allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have any problem later because this is a 2 years contract.
Yes, ma'am.
You will working quite far away from your family and your kids, and this is your first time working abroad. How will you gonna handle your homesickness later as frequently it will attack you?
I will focus on my work, ma'am. I will busy myself, and like when my work is finished, I will call them.
This is a 2 years contract, okay? And you
Yes, ma'am.
cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family and there is such some things or any uncertain situations happen to your family back in the Philippines. And you know, once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going
I
to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. If you agree, it's fine, you work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
You mentioned that you have a work experience in the Philippines. In which part of the Philippines?
Cabuyao, Laguna, ma'am.
Alright, you worked there for 1 year and 4 months, February 2023 to June 2025, correct?
2 years, ma'am.
So February 2023 to June 2025 is 1 year and 4 months only.
Okay, ma'am.
You worked 2 years or 1 year and 4 months?
2 years, ma'am. February 2023 to June 2025.
So if you count it, how many years?
2 years, ma'am.
Are you sure?
2 years and
Are you sure? February
yes,
2023 to June 2025. Are you sure that one is 2 years? You count.
yes, ma'am.
Are you seriously sure?
February 2020. Sorry. 1 year and February.
It's your working experience and you don't know what is it. You forgot about it. So you 1 year and 4 months or 2 years?
2020. Yes, ma'am. 2 years and 4 months.
Okay, so it's 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing. You do car washing, gardening, and you take care of a 6 years old kid, correct?
Yes.
Alright, so what happened where you didn't continue working with this employer?
Finish contract, ma'am.
Finish contract.
Yes, ma'am.
After 2025 June, you didn't have any working experience.
I have part-time job, ma'am, as a Grab driver.
Alright, so working abroad is not that so easy knowing that this is your first time working abroad. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you
Yes,
ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
I know basic cooking, but I am willing to learn.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so what will you do if your homesickness strikes you?
Focus on my work, ma'am. I will busy myself in my work,
Do you
and
think
I
you
will.
can finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
In what way you can finish your 2 years contract?
By doing my job, ma'am, properly.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Charlene. It was Charline.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer,
Okay.
okay? Thank you so
Yes, ma'am.
much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.